And Prime Minister Modi's powerful Pahalgam message that echoed once again from Sikkim this time, where Prime Minister Modi kick-started his 4-state visit. Due to bad weather, he addressed the public via video conferencing from Sikkim, but his roar was heard across the borders. While lauding the forces, Prime Minister Modi said the Pahalgam attack was an assault on the soul of humanity and brotherhood. He declared that India gave a resounding message to Pakistan and has successfully decimated terror hubs operating from across the border. His next stop will be Bengal, where he will lay the foundation stone for a city gas project in Alipurdwar and Cooch Behar. Tomorrow, Prime Minister will launch several development projects and address a rally in Bihar, followed by a visit to Uttar Pradesh for more project inaugurations and foundation stone ceremonies. Ahead of his Bengal visit, Prime Minister launched a scathing attack on Mamata Banerjee, led by TMC government, calling it corrupt and poorly administered. TMC has hit back, calling Prime Minister a political tourist, as well as accusing the centre of withholding funds for several development schemes in Bengal. Meanwhile, Congress too launched a scathing swipe at Prime Minister, calling him an expert in holding rallies, further questioning why Prime Minister is not visiting Pahalgam. Listen in.
सिक्किम के आप सभी लोग पर्यटन की पावर को भली भांति जानते हैं, समझते हैं। टूरिज्म सिर्फ मनोरंजन नहीं है, ये डायवर्सिटी का सेलिब्रेशन भी है। लेकिन आतंकियों ने जो कुछ पहलगाम में किया, वो सिर्फ भारतीयों पर हमला नहीं था, वो मानवता की आत्मा पर हमला था, भाईचारे की भावना पर हमला था। आतंकियों ने हमारे अनेक परिवारों की खुशियों को छीन लिया। उन्होंने हम भारतीयों को बांटने की भी साजिश रची। लेकिन आज पूरी दुनिया देख रही है कि भारत पहले से कहीं ज्यादा एकजुट है। हमने एकजुट होकर आतंकियों और उनके सरपरस्तों को साफ संदेश दिया है। उन्होंने हमारे बेटियों के माथे से सिंदूर पोंछकर उनका जीना हराम कर दिया। हमने आतंकियों को ऑपरेशन सिंदूर से करारा जवाब दिया है। साथियों, आतंकी अड्डे तबाह होने से बौखलाकर पाकिस्तान ने हमारे नागरिकों और सैनिकों पर हमले की कोशिश की, लेकिन उसमें भी पाकिस्तान की पोल ही खुल गई और हमने उनके कई एयरबेस को तबाह करके दिखा दिया कि भारत कब क्या कर सकता है, कितना तेजी से कर सकता है, कितना सटीक कर सकता है।
प्रधानमंत्री गुजरात में रैली और रोड शो कर रहे हैं, प्रधानमंत्री राजस्थान में जाकर फिल्मी डायलॉग बोलते हैं, प्रधानमंत्री केरल और आंध्र में हंसी ठिठोली कर रहे थे। प्रधानमंत्री पहलगाम कब जाएंगे? प्रधानमंत्री पुंछ कब जाएंगे? प्रधानमंत्री शहीद परिवारों से कब मिलेंगे? प्रधानमंत्री सर्वदलीय बैठक में कब जाएंगे? प्रधानमंत्री इस देश का संसद का विशेष सत्र कब बुलाएंगे? आज सवाल इस बात का है, देश पर आपदा आए, मोदी जी का प्रचार प्रसार चालू है। इस देश के प्रधानमंत्री को क्या यह शोभा देता है कि जिस विपक्ष को आप पानी पी पी कर कोसते थे और आज भी कोस रहे हैं, 11 साल सत्ता में रहने के बाद और 90 मुल्क घूमने के बाद आज आपको उसी विपक्ष की जरूरत पड़ रही है जब आपको हिंदुस्तान की बात।
The leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister, India is proceeding towards the development, and you know that we are at present at the 4th position in the world as the economy. We have crossed Japan. So in near future we will become the 3rd. So this is our ultimate goal, and our Honorable Prime Minister is doing the work. Let the Trinamool do politics, we will do the development.
বারবারই তো প্রধানমন্ত্রী দিল্লি প্যাসেঞ্জারের মতো আসেন প্রতি ইলেকশন এলে, প্রতিবারই হেরে যান। আবার অমিত শাহ এসে বলবে আগলে বার 200 পার 100 পার হতে পারবেন। ওদের আসা যাওয়ায় কিচ্ছু আসে যায় না।
তাহলে কি হবে?
আসা যাওয়ার পথের ধারে কেটেছে দিন, গান গিয়ে দিন কেটেছে।
26-এ রেজাল্ট
আবার জিতবে তৃণমূল ব্যাপকভাবে 200 ছাড়াবে।
Bengal's unpaid dues from the central government amount to a total of 1.7 lakh crore. Will the Prime Minister tell the people of Bengal when this money is going to be given to Bengal and why this money is being denied? Mr. Narendra Modi is like a migratory bird. He comes to Bengal only when elections are in the air. People of Bengal are very aware. They are watching everything. And at the correct moment, they will give a fitting reply to this politics of discrimination by Mr. Narendra Modi.
Cutting across to Anupam Mishra joining us on the broadcast. And Anupam, with regards to how the opposition continues to mount the attack against Prime Minister, from calling him a jumlebaz to likening him to an actor to now calling him a political tourist, even against the TMC, the war of words that has broken out once again. Ahead of the Prime Minister's visit to West Bengal, what's expected?
Well, you can see that thousands of people are coming to watch and to listen Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and in between Prime Minister Narendra Modi has already reached here, because you know that Sikkim visit has been it was cancelled due to bad weather, and he's ahead of his schedule, and he has already reached here, and he will be holding his programs in time. And this visit of Alipurdwar is very important as far as BJP is concerned. You know, this all North Bengal region has been the stronghold of BJP since 2018, and in 2018 BJP had won almost every seat in North Bengal. But after 2018, in 2021 and in 2024, it has been a bit of dent in BJP's stronghold. So this Alipurdwar visit will be a very important visit for BJP, as you know that elections are approaching, and it's less than a year in Bengal Assembly elections, and BJP is focusing on North Bengal itself, because they know that if they focus on North Bengal, they can regain the lost territories which they have lost in few years. So it's very important for BJP. But ahead of this visit, you know that war of words had erupted between BJP and TMC. TMC is terming this trip as migratory birds, and they have already used these terms we have seen that in 2014, 2018, 2021, 2024, whenever election approaches, election comes, TMC terms, especially Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, and these two visits as migratory bird visits. This term has been very often used by TMC. So right now they are using these terms, and they are also demanding the dues, which is due for West Bengal, the Central Front due. These are the two things which TMC is accusing. On the other hand, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had already tweeted and accused that people of Bengal are tired with the corruption in Bengal and the misadministration of TMC. So we are hoping that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will also speak about these things on these lines, and apart from the Operation Sindoor. So we are waiting for the Prime Minister to address this huge gathering here in Alipurdwar.